Hey, this is Sean Cohen, Enterprises Proximity Marketing Lifestyle. And I just want to pop in and to let you know about everything that's going on in the proximity marketing niche right now and what we can do to kind of ease your nerves and to solve your problems a little bit. As you know, as of December 6th, that the Google Nearby notification service will no longer be operating. Google is shutting it down at the beginning of December. And everybody is scrambling, coming up with different options that they can use, and so that their gems will still work and still broadcast notifications, and they have some form of notification that will be able to pop up on their prospects' phones. Um, a lot of those ideas and new things that they're doing involve having customers download a new app on their phone, which I wholeheartedly believe is not going to work. It's not going to work because you're basically asking people to add apps on their phone, and we all know, even through our own personal lives, that we're not really susceptible to adding applications on our phone that really don't serve us any purpose. So, with planning and foresight in hand, the company that I'm with, Royaltie, came up with an ingenious idea that a lot of entrepreneurs and business people do, is that you partner up. So they partner up with a lot of companies, a lot of different app companies, popular ones, Facebook, Instagram, CNN, Yahoo, just to name a few, and in a sense bought space with them that will allow our clients' ads to still be able to show on prospects' phones without them having to download any additional apps on their phone. That's basically how it works. Um, every phone nowadays, once you unbox it, it already comes with Facebook, it always comes with Instagram, it always comes with Yahoo. So it's nothing additional that's going to need to be downloaded onto their device for our notifications, our ads to be seen. And on top of that, it actually gets even better because before we had 40 character limits with Google. Now there are no more 40 character limits as far as when your notification shows up on your prospect's phone. You can actually place a full ad onto their phone that's going to pop up, and they will see it just as if you on your Facebook timeline and you see an ad on your timeline. The technology is going to work very similar to that. Like I said, tomorrow there's going to be a price increase. There's going to be a price increase when this update takes effect in December. So I suggest that you get in now at the current rates and to be grandfathered in. That's the best way to do it. And be ahead of the curve. So, if you already had devices, you can come in, get your people switched out, and you won't miss a beat as far as the advertising goes. If you need help doing that, you can reach out to me, and I'll be glad to get you set up. To take care of your advertising needs as far as your proximity marketing. As we all know, we all strongly believe, the people that are already in this space, that this is the new wave of advertising. This is where it goes. We have to reach people's cell phones because that's what had people's motivation. That's what had their eyes most of the time, and majority of the time that people are on their cell phones, and that's what we need to be able to contact them at. And my company allows you to do that at an affordable rate. We're beating print ad rates, we're beating radio commercials, we're beating TV commercials all day long, and we can guarantee you impressions now because as long as people have these apps on their phone, which the 98% of the phones in the market do, they will see your advertisement. We can guarantee you that. So, like I said, big information coming out tomorrow as far as price increases and the new pricing guidelines. I suggest that you get in now before these upgrades take place, and you'll have to come in under those new increased prices. Jump in now, get grandfathered in under our current price plan, where you could get in for as low as $25 a month. For one device. You can't beat that. We're guaranteeing impressions. Remember, if your client has Facebook, Instagram, CNN, Forbes, any one of those apps, or any other list that we have so far that we've been told, there's 100 apps that we are partnering with. whereas our advertising will show up on their phone. You need to get in now. We're offering a solution to this problem that's coming up next month. We are ahead of the curve. We're at the forefront of this technology, and we're offering a solution for the problem that's coming up. If you need to get in touch with me, you can instant message me here on Facebook, or you can reach me on my personal phone, 410-929-3390. Again, this is Sean Cole, Proximity Marketing Lifestyle, Sean Cole Enterprises. If you have any questions, reach out to me. I'll be glad to answer you. If you would like to convert over into royalty, I can help you with that also. And I would love to have a conversation with you. Thank you for your time today. Have a great day.